What's up, half Mercer fans? How you doing? So today we're making a pizza.
Yummy.
The whole thing will probably take 10 minutes. Mom's gonna talk the rest.
All right, here's our steps. So first we're gonna wash our hands. Then we will preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then we'll put on our toppings on our pizza crust and then cook for 8 minutes. All right?
All right, come cook with us.
Nobody can ignore you. Half boy and half amazing.
Come on, buddy, let's wash our hands.
Come with us. Let's go. Alright, what in the world is this?
Oh my gosh.
Crazy, Mama. Mommy is cracking up.
All good? All right, so we
We
have
have 2 pizzas. This one. And then the other one, this one.
okay. So first we have to
So,
open up.
first we have to open up it. Second, we have to put the toppings. Third, I have no idea.
All right, let's pop open this pizza sauce. I'll hold the bottom.
I can.
All right.
Whoosh! Now, where do we put this?
You need a paper towel? Oh yeah, you can use a paper towel.
Well, there's some on the bottom.
Right in the middle. Not on the edge, right in the middle every time.
So what Noah's doing, he's taking the pizza sauce and he's putting a bunch in the middle. We can spread it.
So now we're going to cut this one open, and then we're gonna make a second pizza. So we take the pizza out, and the sauce only goes on the middle of the pizza.
Yeah, exactly. You can add more sauce if you want.
We're gonna get our cheeses ready. So Noah, do you remember what 2 cheeses we're gonna use today? First we have some, and next we have some mozzarella. And then we're gonna add some spicy. And Daddy likes basil in, so we'll put a few pieces of basil inside.
We have to cover up all that white stuff. If we don't cover it up, it's gonna put that spot.
Yeah?
All right, here, hold this.
So now, what are you putting on?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella.
On it.
Ooh.
So you make sure you spread it out.
Ooh. So we get a different cheese that's smaller, so it won't go all over the top of it. If you
Remember,
don't have that much cheese, then you can add more cheese, pepperoni, and then some more cheese on the top, so it can be like cheese, a little bit of cheese, then pepperoni, then cheese, then like it's gonna taste so good.
exactly.
So do you want to add some pepperoni, maybe on half, just in case?
Today.
Give me some cheese, give me some cheese. It's crazy bad. Alexa, the one with the 3 minutes.
Starting now. You want to name this timer.
0 minutes left. How much time is left on pizza's ready?
About 2 minutes and 40 seconds left.
40 seconds.
For the
Temperature. Wow! It's open, but whoa, it looks so good. All right.
I think it might be ready.
Pizza's ready!
Noah did this one?
I want to do
The extra cheese.
Mommy's putting it in. You did.
Back up, baby.
Alright guys, the pizza's ready and we're about to hand this to Mom so Mom can cut it. Let's go.
There we go.
And then now you guys cut that. Yes, look at Mommy's hand. Nope. Do what Mommy's doing. And you don't have to start on that crust. That actually might slip. You can back up a little bit. Alright. And we cut it, right, buddy?
You're gonna cut yours.
Alright, you take it out. Alright.
Rip.
Good.
Alright, and now say, Mommy's gonna cut this pizza, guys.
Mommy's gonna cut the pizza.
So move your hand. Thank you. Alright, guys, is it ready to eat?
Oh, look how big this pizza.
Cheers.
Good.
Cheers.
I'm gonna try the cheese.
Cheers.
I haven't tried the rest.
Spicy.
Yeah.
And this is not
What is that called, Noah? Do you remember?
oregano.
Yes. Do you give this recipe 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, or 2 thumbs down?
2 thumbs
Two
up.
thumbs. I give this recipe like 2 thumbs up. Yeah.
Was it hard to make?
It was pretty hard, but we did it.
And does it
Because
taste good?
teamwork makes the dream work. And
Yeah.
it tastes
Awesome.
it tastes so good.
Awesome.
Like you should try.
Mmm, yummy.
Goodbye. Subscribe if you want me to open another toy. Be so good nobody can annoy you. Peace. High five, guys.
Half boy and half amazing.